Running a business means repeating the same tasks every day. But what if AI could do most of that work for you? In this video, I'll show you 3 AI tools that can automate your business and save you hours every week. First is ChatGPT, the brain behind your automation. It can write emails, customer replies, blog posts, product descriptions, and even marketing strategies in seconds. Use clear prompts or templates to speed things up. Set a brand voice and structure so every output stays consistent. Generate multiple drafts, then refine the best one. Next is Notion AI, your automated workspace. It organizes tasks, generates summaries, plans projects, and keeps everything in one place. Start with templates and let AI adapt them to your workflow. See who's doing what and what needs attention at a glance. Finally, Zapier or Make connects all your apps together. When something happens in one app, AI triggers actions automatically in others. No coding needed. Together, these tools can run customer support, content creation, internal planning, and daily operations, almost on autopilot. You don't need a big team, just the right AI stack. Subscribe for AI Tools and Automation Finder insights into the smartest tools shaping tomorrow.